Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into some of IKEA's most affordable and game-changing products that will totally level up your workspace. From ergonomic chairs to sleek laptop stands, these items are all about comfort, style, and productivity without breaking the bank. You will love these products, and trust me, they're all worth checking out. All the links are in the description, so let's get started. The DUBBLA Laptop Stand is an absolute game changer. Instantly switch between sitting and standing in seconds. No complicated setup, no hassle, just effortless comfort. The adjustable height lets you find the perfect position to reduce strain on your back and shoulders. And thanks to the smooth gas spring, raising or lowering it feels like magic. Plus, it's compact, pre-assembled, and easy to move. Talk about a workspace essential. The LOBERGET/MALSKÄR Swivel Chair is the perfect mix of comfort and function. The padded seat keeps you cozy, while the height adjustment makes it easy to find your ideal sitting position. And the best part? The smart braking casters keep the chair steady when you stand up, so no accidental rolling away. Genius! Whether you're working, studying, or just relaxing, this chair has your back, literally. The TROTTEN Drawer Unit is the storage solution you never knew you needed. Keep your essentials safe in the lockable drawer, while the open shelf is perfect for bigger items like folders, storage boxes, or even a bike helmet. It's lightweight, easy to move, and blends effortlessly with any workspace. Plus, that metal mesh design, so sleek and modern. Whether you're rearranging your setup, rolling it to another room, or just trying to clean, this stand gets the job done. The adjustable width means it fits most computer towers, and with sturdy casters, it glides smoothly without a hitch. No more struggling to lift heavy PCs. This stand is a lifesaver. The MALSKÄR Swivel Chair is all about style and comfort. The high back and generous seat make long work sessions a breeze, while the padded armrests give you that extra support. And let's talk about the elegant design. This chair is the perfect mix of modern and classic, so it looks amazing in any room. Plus, the breathable perforated fabric keeps you cool even during those extra long work days. The LOBERGET cup holder is an absolute must-have for your desk setup. No more accidental spills near your keyboard. This genius clamp-on holder keeps your drink safe and within reach while you work or game. The open front makes grabbing your mug effortless, and it fits most cups at home, especially the LOBERGET mug. Just clamp it on and you're good to go. Simple, smart, and a total lifesaver. The Flintan office chair is all about ergonomic comfort. The high mesh back keeps you cool, while the adjustable height and tilt make sure you get the perfect support. And let's talk about that automatic tilt mechanism. It moves with your body to keep you comfy and energized all day long. Plus, the removable, washable seat cover, a total game changer for easy cleaning. The Mitson laptop table is the definition of versatility. Adjustable height? Check. Tiltable top? Check. Easy to move casters? Double check. Whether you're working, giving a presentation, or just need a flexible workspace, this table does it all. Plus, the built-in cup holder keeps your drink secure while you power through your tasks. The Brennbowl gaming mousepad is built for speed and precision. With its smooth pixel-perfect surface, your mouse glides effortlessly, so you can react faster and stay ahead in every game. Plus, it's big enough for both your keyboard and mouse, and the rubber-covered underside keeps it locked in place. Roll it up, take it with you, and level up your setup anywhere. The LOBERGET laptop holder with arm is the ultimate space saver. Get your laptop off the desk and into the perfect ergonomic position. Goodbye neck and shoulder strain. Pair it with the LOBERGET bracket for a sleek, organized workspace. The Nevlinga LED clamp spotlight is the perfect lighting solution. Slim, stylish, and glare-free. This adjustable lamp gives you focused lighting wherever you need it. Just clamp it on, direct the light, and instantly upgrade your workspace or reading nook with bright, energy-efficient illumination. The Jansjo LED USB lamp is small but mighty. This ultra-flexible, lightweight lamp is perfect for late-night work or gaming. Just plug it into a USB port, bend it to your ideal angle, and enjoy bright, energy-saving LED light that lasts up to 25,000 hours. That's a wrap! These IKEA products are not just affordable, they're game changers for your workspace. A huge, huge thank you to all the new subscribers. Your support honestly means the world to me. I can't wait to share more with you all. Don't forget to check out the links in the description. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more. Catch you in the next video.